Hi, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to be walking you through the essential filters to use in Rokoko Studio to help you clean up your motion capture animations. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to record an animation and then how to clean that animation using those filters. Let's jump in. First thing we'll do is open up Rokoko Studio. We will start a new project, name it, and then enter the scene. Because I have already powered up my Smartsuit and paired it with this computer in the past, my avatar will appear in the scene automatically. I'll add my actor profile and then drag my suit into the actor profile. For more tutorials on putting on and pairing your Smartsuit with your computer, follow the links in the description below. So before recording any animation, we always want to perform a straight pose. Click the straight pose button and then stand with your feet under your hips and your arms resting gently on your legs. This will help calibrate the system. Okay, after a few stretches, we are now ready to record an animation. I'll do something simple for the purposes of this demo. Now that we've recorded our animation, we can review it by clicking on Take 1. As we watch, we can see that the animation didn't accurately record all of our foot movement. However, this is easily fixed by using the filters built into Rokoko Studio. We recommend using 2 filters in particular on every animation you record using the system: Locomotion and Foot IK. It is super quick to use them, and it can have a massive impact on the quality of your final animation. You can access these filters by clicking this magical little button down here. By default, Locomotion and Toe Bend are already enabled. The Locomotion filter tracks when your feet are making contact with the floor, and that data is visualized here with these green and blue bars. Each bar represents a time when your foot is in contact with the floor. The green bars represent your left foot, and the blue bars represent your right foot. If we click this little button next to gizmos, we can see that contact visualized in the scene as well, and this can be super helpful when going through and cleaning the data. If we scrub through here, we can see that the data is registering that my right foot is off the ground when it is actually still on the ground. By looking at the animation, you can usually tell when the foot contact data is accurate. To correct this, we'll simply slide the keyframes to make sure the contact data is correct. Hit Process Changes to reprocess the animation. This will save any changes that you've made to the keyframes, and you'll want to do this anytime you make changes. We can fix that foot we were looking at earlier by sliding this little blue bar over. It looks like right about here is where I leave the ground. Now I'll go through the rest of the animation and fix any more errors with the foot contact. Boom! Now if we play it back and compare it with the original data, we can see that we have a much better result. The Locomotion filter is now accurately tracking when our feet are in contact with the floor, and that in turn is positively affecting the rest of the animation. The last thing we do is check for any foot drift. Right here we can see that we have a little bit of foot drift. To eliminate that, we'll enable the Foot IK filter. You can click it in the Filters panel and then always hit Process Changes. Enabling the Foot IK filter basically means that anytime your foot is in contact with the ground, it won't move. This is why it's always important to go through and make sure your locomotion data is clean before enabling the Foot IK filter. Now if we play it back, we can see that there is no more foot drift. If we look at our final, we have a much better result than the original data. This is why we recommend doing these 2 quick steps: cleaning your locomotion data and enabling Foot IK for every one of your animations. The other filters can be really helpful as well, and we have more tutorials on those, but at minimum, we recommend using these 2 filters on every animation you create. We hope this was helpful, and please leave any questions in the comments below or contact us directly at www.rokoko.com. Thanks, and check back soon for more tutorials.